Today we are going to spend some time with my nephew, with Elliot, who is 3 years old, and the interesting fact is that he is my nephew and my husband's nephew as well, because my sister and my husband's brother are married. So there's a little boy whom we love the same very much, and we thought that we are going to invite him to our home. At the end of the day, we're gonna do a sleepover in my parents' house because why not? We love doing these things together. So let's jump into this video. I would like to share some parts of my life with you guys. I'm Virginia, nice to meet you by the way. If you're new here, I'm living in Budapest. I'm married and I'm studying in university. So it's spring break now and there's no university, so we have a bunch of time. So let's spend it together. Banán, az van otthon? Hát ezt Milán nem annyira szereti. Tudod, melyiket szereti ő? Ő ezt nagyon szereti. Are watching Verdak. I'm not sure if it is the English version as well. Never mind. They are watching a film, and I thought I'm gonna make American cookies, of course, again, with salted pretzel, chocolate, and salted almonds. So it's gonna be incredible. I made you quick. Nagyon ügyes vagy, Eli. Ennyi elég is. Látod, ilyen gombócokat kell tudod, mert ebből gyúrni. Te már ezt tudod, annyiszor csináltunk, ugye? I ordered sweater from Vintage Nelly. So let's see if it is good or not.
Amazing.
Oh, Maria isn't good. Oh.
We'll see.
Here you are. Oh, it's perfect. I love that. It was 2,000 forints, by the way, and plus delivery and things like that. So maximum 4,000, but let's say 3,000 forints, which is so nice. Good morning, everyone. We are going to start a day with a great running with Ellie. Where is Ellie? Megmutatod az órádat? He has new watch, of course it's mine, and new shoes, and new setup. So let's go. So today I'm going to be here at my parents' house. I slept here with Ellie. We did a sleepover. So we went running. He was so great. We did almost 2 kilometers and everyone was shocked how good Ellie was and how cute Ellie was. This vlog is not going to be a traditional Budapest style, living in Budapest, doing things in the city, girly vlog, I think, because I'm gonna spend more time with my family because of the break we have in the university. So yeah, hope you enjoy it.
Silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Parts of you, hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you, breath after breath, hold on, so beautiful. And if you fall, I will catch you.
So I'm a bit tired. It was so lovely, really good. Ellie is just really my favorite person in the world. We did a lot of things. We started playing ping pong. Now this is his new obsession, so we had to play with him ping pong all day long. We are gonna see each other tomorrow as well because we're gonna have an Easter party at his mommy's house and my husband's mom. So we're gonna celebrate Easter for a bit tomorrow, and yes, I have to bake a sweetbread in the morning, so let's go to sleep.
This city has a special morning voice. Speaks to me through an open window, masquerading as noise. 10 million people waking up, and somehow I'm the lucky guy who gets to make you a coffee cup. And if I ever forget what matters most,
The shops are going to be closed tomorrow, so we have to buy a few things because I'm gonna bake a birthday cake for my brother's wife because tomorrow we are going to celebrate her. Mickey asked if I can bake a cake because in general I am the one who bakes the cake. So we are going to buy the ingredients for that. It's gonna be pistachio rosewood cake. So let's go.
and I will do my best to recall. This city can be hard and unforgiving. You better know who you are. You brought me back to the living. You were my guide.
There is an Asian center here. I think I said correctly. So here the products are much cheaper than anywhere else. So now we can buy some cleaning stuff and things for the boys. So yeah.
If I stumble and fall, if I make a mess of it all, remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall. Remind me, babe, and I will do my best to recall.
Igen, jó nagy volt! It's almost 10 o'clock and I'm gonna start the birthday cake because tomorrow we won't have a lot of time. So we're gonna make this sponge, which is like a normal buttery, sugary sponge with a bit of raspberry. I remember when I was young, baking cakes was my number 1 hobby, and I stayed up all night and baked different cakes for the family, for the birthday parties. So it's like a deja vu, or I don't know, nostalgic feeling. I don't know. I'm using 2 different recipes. It's based on a simple sponge, and I don't like the buttercream, so I switched to mascarpone, cream cheesy cream. So we're gonna use that, but I think we are going to do that tomorrow. Made 4 layers. Here is 1, 2, 3 and 4. See you tomorrow.
Nem akkor elkezd leformálódni. Azt mondták, hogy lekómál a puszi talán.